Recently I took my GoPro for a night dive for the first time and I didn't know what settings to use and I couldn't find anything online. So I had to guesstimate and I got pretty good results. So now I'm gonna share with you what settings I actually used. You can film in HD, 2K or 4K. Higher resolution gives you a better quality shot, as long as your PC or laptop can process the higher resolution. I always use 60 frames per second for underwater footage. I think 30 frames per second is too low, as your footage may end up blurry, and I never encountered a situation underwater where I would need 120 frames per second. Field of view I always use wide, because I think it looks best for underwater footage. Use the highest stabilization setting your GoPro allows you to use and turn the Protunes on. Shutter speed on auto. Exposure value I set to -0.5 because with a higher setting your image may end up overexposed. Set your white balance to the Kelvin value of your dive light. With proper underwater video lights, the manufacturer will provide Kelvin value. If you don't know your Kelvin value, just take your GoPro and your dive light into a dark room and set it to whatever you think looks best. Usually it's gonna be between 5,000 and 6,000 Kelvin. ISO I set to 100 because there's going to be only one light source and it's not going to change. Sharpness I use medium, high is too high, low is too low. I tried the low setting before and I ended up adding sharpness in post, so just to skip the process I just use medium all the time. I use GoPro color. If you want to have more control over your image and you're going to color grade your footage, you can use flat profile. You should not use a red filter with dive lights, as your footage may end up with a red tint. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video.